most of the people says men doesn't cry. Guys, a man is a human being. You understand? When you want to cry, maybe you get hurt. You understand? Let cry. Let that person cry. You understand? Because he is pulling out his pain. You understand? Just because, guys, when a person doesn't cry, it's more painful. You understand? But when you crying so much, you understand? You can be better. You can be better than a person who doesn't cry. You understand? Because when you are crying, guys, you can pour out all your pains. You understand? With tears, with those tears. But when you are not crying, most of the people they say men is strong, so they don't cry. Guys, a man is a human being. You understand? That person can get hurt. And what I saw, men they are not strong than women, because women we can cry. You understand? We can cry, and tomorrow we forget. When my man he is cheating on me, I can cry today, and tomorrow I can forgive and forget. But men they don't forget, especially when you are cheating. You understand? You are cheating to your man. Guys, a man he doesn't forget. You understand? Because most of the times when he doesn't cry, he can keep quiet. You understand? He doesn't forgive you. But women, we can forget. We can cry and we can make a lot of noise, and I can shout to him. Men, they don't shout most of the times like women. You understand? Women, we are talkative too much. We can shout at your person when we are angry. We can shout. We can talkative, talking too much. But men, they don't talk. And especially that person, a person who doesn't talk, maybe you wronged that person and he keeps quiet. Guys, that person is very dangerous, because you don't know on his mind what he is thinking. You understand? So guys, when you saw a person who is crying, it's better he is keeping that himself better. Because some people they are judging men that you are not strong, you are not a man, why are you crying? Guys, a man is a human being. You understand? Let them cry. Guys, when you feel you want to cry, you understand? You have pain, cry so too much. You understand? Cry too much, because you can get better. You can get better than a person who does not cry. Because guys, when you have pain, when you don't cry, you understand, it will be more painful than a person who was crying. Because I cry too much today, but tomorrow when I wake up, it's another day. I will get better than a person who does not cry. You understand?